My nails are not done. My hair's not done. My makeup's not done. I'm not done. But I'm not waiting on all that to get this unboxing done. And I'm so excited about this one because I've been trying to get these glasses for a few months now. Patience is a virtue, you know what I mean, y'all? Okay. I'm in my shoe shed right now because it's such a pretty day. Hey! Oh, cool. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. Just right. Just enough, but not too much. Bling, bling. Let's see. And these are the round, and I went back and forth between did I want the round or did I want the or did I want the or did I want the cat eyes? But I think the good choice for me was the round. That is a little bit more classy to me, if you want to know the truth about it. In which these do have a little bit of the cat eye look to them. And let's see what they look like.